Hey guys, it's Backyard Living's home improvement episode. How to replace a lock on your exterior door. Well, actually it's a lock. It's a whole knob and lock system here. So I already got this thing unscrewed. So you just got to unscrew basically your bolts right here, screws right here. And just gonna pull this side off, and the other side slides right out of the locking mechanism right there. And then you're gonna pull this out right here. Now this is a little loose because I already had this out, but a lot of times this should be really snug in here. So we're pulling the old one out because we're gonna put a new one in here. We got our new locking mechanism here. Buy, new lock or whatever at your local hardware store, whatever that might be. I'm gonna get that in there. And as you can see here, this does not fit all the way. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get a drill, and we're gonna have to drill some of this out right here so we can have enough room to slide the locking mechanism in there. Shouldn't take too much though. Right, guys, we're gonna get our drill out here. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna drill some of this out right here. We don't got a lot of room to make, so let's see here. All right, we got to get more room in that corner and on top. This is what we originally had in here, so, oh shoot. All right. All right. Okay, we're gonna close this first and make sure everything closes right. All right, closes great. All right, guys, so as you can see, I got this screwed in. I'm gonna pull this back out and show you how all the, my plastic guide fell out. See, they got these guides in here to help line it up. All right, so just got to make sure that you guide this through properly. You put this on properly, get that all lined up. Make sure it's snug, make sure everything opens. It locks great. Let's make sure the key works. Before we tighten this all up. All right, it's locked, unlocked. Beautiful. All right. Oh, jeez. It's fall. All right, guys, and we got these bolts here that gotta go in to connect these two things together, these two knobs together on either side. So you gotta it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You really gotta screw this by hand, because if not, you're gonna scratch up your knob. Once you get these pretty far in there, you can use the screwdriver to angle it in there. And you can't be a pansy when you're tightening this, I'll tell you that right now. You gotta use your manliness. You don't want to strip the bolt though. So I guess maybe you want to use a little bit of pansy tendencies just to make sure you don't strip anything here. This one's not tight yet. I'm gonna get this one really tight without stripping it. All right. And guys, here's our doorknob. All right. We are locked, ladies and gentlemen. Let's lock it. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you for joining us for another episode of Backyard Living. We put a new doorknob on with a lock. So subscribe and like this video for manly and pansy men all together. Over and out. I don't know what I was talking about there.